for the glorious coming of the Messiah. The Messiah is coming. The Messiah is coming. America, repent. Dear city, repent. 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 The judgment of God is coming. The judgment of God is coming. Where are you going to spend your eternity? After death comes the judgment. After death comes the judgment. When you die, your soul separates from your body. When you die, your soul separates from your body. Your body goes back to the ground, and your soul lives forever. God created man to live forever. You will live forever. Hell or in heaven. Hell or in heaven. Where are you going to spend eternity? You are going to live forever. After death comes the judgment. Repent. Turn away from sin. Turn away from sin. Turn away from sin. Repent. The judgment of God is coming. Your big house cannot save you. Your $1 million cannot save you. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose your soul? What can a man exchanges for his soul? Tomorrow promise to no one. The judgment of God is coming. Turn away from sin. Repent. Repent. You have too much pride. America has too much pride. Too much pride in America. Pride is killing America. Pride, pride, pride. Your big house, your beautiful car, your $1 million jet, and you die in your sin. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose your soul? What can a man exchange for his soul? After death comes the judgment. You will die once. You will die once. When you die, your soul separates from your body. Your body go back to the ground. But where would you spend your eternity? Where are you going to spend your eternity? Hell or in heaven? Hell or in heaven? Repent. Turn away from sin. America, America, God is watching you, America. God is watching you. Turn away from sin. Turn away from sin. Repent. The kingdom of God is at hand. The kingdom of God is at hand. Repent, 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 repent before it's too late. Repent before it's too late. Repent. Turn away from sin. Turn away from sin. Repent before it's too late. Are you ready for the glorious coming of the Messiah? Are you ready, America, for the glorious coming of the Messiah? Repent before it's too late. Turn away from sin. The judgment of God is coming. What does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose your soul? What can a man exchange?